Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a stunning 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Just a beautiful car, guys. 6-year-old frame-up restoration. Car's got a killer 496 aluminum headed big block in it, air, disc brakes, beautiful set of Billet Specialties aluminum wheels, 18s and 20s. Gorgeous car. This is the original color combination. This is mist green metallic. It's got gorgeous paint on it. Just a nice car. This car was actually built by a college professor down in Tennessee, but great car. And I'm telling you, you want a nice driver, you can get in this thing and drive it wherever you want to go. This thing runs and drives excellent. Killer stance, like I say, gorgeous paint. Just a beautiful car, man. I love the color combination. It's just, like I say, it's just different, just a killer car. You see how nice that front grille. I mean, these grills are tough to come by, man. If you're a Monte Carlo guy, they are tough to come by. You can kind of nitpick the bumpers, you know, you can kind of see it's got, you know, little wear to them. Front and rear both are kind of the same. But that's really, you know, and you can pick them all. If you guys have watched my videos, I always tell you, man, if somebody's telling you that a car's perfect, none of them are perfect. I've bought and sold 6,000 of these things, never seen a perfect one. It's got all the factory tinted glass. The glass is nice. You can see that vinyl top. It's got the double stitch vinyl top on it, which is gorgeous. Pretty car, man. And like I say, you want to talk about a pleasure to drive. Laser straight down the sides, all brand new ZR rated rubber. Love the wheels. I believe those wheels are about $2,800, $3,000. Front disc brakes, power steering, air that blows ice cold. A little chillier day today. Matter of fact, I wish I had my jacket on. Again, this is an aluminum headed 496 big block. Sorry. It's got a dual feed Holley on it. Doggone it, guys, sorry. Edelbrock aluminum intake. Those are Profiler aluminum heads. It's got big tube ceramic headers on it, power steering, vintage AC, power front disc brakes. It's got all MSD ignition on it. It's got a Monster transmission, all professionally built. Monster transmissions, 700 R4 overdrive transmission. With a lockup converter. Matter of fact, there's a little switch under the dash that locks the converter. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I'm gonna try to get it advertised as soon as I can. I know people get frustrated, cars get sold before I get a chance to advertise them, but I enjoy doing these videos. I do them all myself, so sorry, it's just the way we like to do it. It's worked for 41 years. Just a fingerprint there. Door rubbers are nice. Pretty car. This is just he's put a chip guard on there. Kind of see that on the bottom of cars before, just to kind of keep it from chipping up. Factory bench seat. It's got the plush vinyl or cloth in it. Sport steering wheel. 83,000 original miles. You can see it's got the wood grain dash. That's all real nice. It's got aftermarket AM FM radio, some pro comp gauges. There's your little switch for the lockup converter. It's got an X-pipe 3-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. It is a 12-bolt 373 limited slip rear end. It's got all Moser axles, rear sway bar. It's got the old bias ply spare with the jack. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. That's just the bottom of this thing. These cheap mats kind of do that. But nice car. Took some nice pictures of the undercarriage for you. Pretty car, man. See, it's got the billet rear end cover. Interior's nice, soft, very comfortable. And like I say, guys, this thing, it doesn't squeak, it doesn't rattle. I mean, this thing drives outstanding. Have Jay fired up here. AC blows cold. That is a nice car, guys. Fit and finish is excellent. Fuel gauge works. Gauges are functional down there. Well, it doesn't look like it's working as a clock in there. Love the wheels. Backup lights work. Car gets its R's quick too. I mean, it's snappy. Good oil pressure, radio works, blower motor works, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Oh, that's pretty, man. Gorgeous car.